A massive political face-off has erupted between the BJP and the TMC after a BJP worker was shot dead by unknown assailants last night in North 24 Parganas. Manish Shukla, a lawyer who was also a close aide of BJP MP Arjun Singh, was shot by masked men. He was rushed to a nearby hospital where he was declared dead. The BJP has accused the TMC and hit the streets in protest. The Barakpur police chief submitted a report to the state government over the murder. The Bengal government has now handed over the murder investigation to the CID.
আজকে এত ফায়ার আর্মস কেউ ধরা পড়লো না, সব চলে গেল। এই জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে অর্জুন সিং তো কাল ওর সাথেই ছিল, 5 মিনিট আগে চলে গেছে। যদি এদিক ওদিক হতো তাহলে কি ঘটতে পারতো? কেন্দ্রীয় কোনো সংস্থা, ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্ট কোনো সংস্থা, তারা তদন্ত না করা অবধি এই গুলি চালানোর কোনো ঘটনাটার কিচ্ছু হবে না। আলটিমেটলি রেজাল্ট কি আমরা সবাই জানি। আর কয়েক মাস বাদে নির্বাচন আছে, জনতার আদালতে বিচার লেখা হয়ে গেছে যে জনতা কি বিচার করবে, সে বিচার ইতিমধ্যে হয়ে গেছে।
Manish Shukla was murdered in the presence of all in front of the police station. Commissioner of Police Anuj Verma और Additional Commissioner of Police Ajay Thakur, इनको तुरंत इनके ऊपर इंक्वायरी और इन्वेस्टिगेशन आरंभ किया जाए, क्योंकि इनके नाम को लेकर वीडियो जारी करके मृतक ने पहले ही बताया था कि ये लोग षड्यंत्र रच रहे हैं। चोरी ऊपर से सीना जोरी का माहौल बनाकर लगभग रोज एक कार्यकर्ता की हत्या करना, मैं ममता जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या यही न्याय है?
Abir Ghoshal is joining us live from Barakpur. Also on the show is Saugata Mukhopadhyay live with us from Kolkata. Saugata, the fact is that since 2014, over 100 BJP workers have been killed in Bengal. And every time, some or the other investigation that is done by the state government comes up with a conclusion that it is personal rivalry or some other issue, taking it away from the fact that these are political killings. What can be Mamata Banerjee's explanation necessarily now? Saugata.
Yes, I failed to understand the question, the last part of it. Could you briefly repeat it for me,
Yes,
Maria?
I want to know what can be Mamata Banerjee's explanation when there have been over 100 killing of BJP workers in the last few years, and every time a BJP leader is killed in the state, the answer that comes up is that it is because of personal rivalry. The real reason is that these are political killings. Is the real reason being overlooked deliberately by Mamata Banerjee here?
Well, Bengal is probably right now the hottest bed of political rivalry between BJP and its most bare knuckle opposition, which is the Trinamool Congress. And right now, whatever you see happening on Bengal stuff is bound to get political, and a murder like this, well, it's almost as far as the BJP is concerned, given to the party on a platter, given the fact that in a poll-bound Bengal, violence is going to be one of the key issues. As you rightly pointed out, Maria, there have been many political killings that have happened in the past. In the recent past, it all began with probably the panchayat elections, the last panchayat elections, and has been going on ever since in the state, and that's the reason why Mamata Banerjee needs to put up her defense very strongly to convince the people of Bengal that this kind of violence will not be tolerated and the perpetrators would be brought to book. As far as this particular incident is concerned, it happened in a brazen manner. It happened in a manner in which the assailants who came on motorbikes in front of people who were standing in great numbers targeted Manish Shukla, sprayed bullets, pumped in those bullets into his body and left without a trace. And it seems to be the handiwork of some professional killers,
Okay.
not amateurs, to say the least. And
Yes.
what you see happening right now
And
in the state is a
yes,
fallout of all
it is about lawlessness in a state, and the Chief Minister has to be held accountable. She has to explain as to what really is happening in the state of West Bengal. Abir is live with us from Barakpur. Abir, there were protests that were taking place. BJP leaders were holding those protests. What are you picking up from the ground? What was the reason for this kind of killing? And if it is, then why was the leader, Shukla, picked up by the TMC for being targeted?
Right now I'm standing here in the Titagarh municipality area and the close area of the Titagarh police station. This is the exact place where the BJP leader Manish Shukla was shot dead on Sunday evening. There is a close distance from Titagarh police station. Just opposite on the road is the Titagarh police station. When he was speaking with some locals and the party workers in this place at Sunday evening, the BJP has called for a 12-hour bandh today in the Barakpur industrial area. But blaming that Trinamool Congress for the killing of the Manish Shukla. But the Trinamool Congress has denied the charge and the blame the incident on an internal clash within the BJP. And this is the exact place where the incident occurred. You can see at now the situation, because in the few hours ago, this is a place where the BJP workers and the Barakpur Police Commissariat police were in a situation where the agitator start the stone pelting and throwing the bombs, and then the police start to the lathi charge, and the mob is at not now in the most important road, Barakpur BT road. But the local public and the BJP leader says that the police has denied the investigation process, because there is one point in this area where Manish Shukla was shot dead. Inside there is a building, a medical store, where you can see the 3 CC camera, but one of the CC camera in this house is totally off from here.
Okay.
Another CC camera, this is the in front of the Titagarh police station, they are not working. So the BJP the BJP MP Arjun Singh, Kailash Vijayvargiya, Mukul Roy today visit the spot, and they blame that the Trinamool Congress and the police they are know about the Manish Shukla dead, and the situation is not now is very good in that situation in the Titagarh municipality area.
Shaukato, just tell me, the fact is that he is the private secretary of BJP leader Arjun Singh. The BJP is alleging that this was aimed at perhaps the member of parliament, and he was the collateral damage here. Now the question is, can the BJP be satisfied with a CID probe? Because several BJP leaders have been killed in the last few months, and in the run-up to elections that we'll be seeing, it's only that this is going to be the real the flashpoint state as far as the two states are concerned. What can Mamata Banerjee explain? This is an example of lawlessness in Bengal.
Well, Maria,
and targeted killing.
Let me first tell you, Maria, that I do not believe personally that Manish Shukla was a collateral damage. It seems from the way he was murdered, he was himself the target of the assailants, and it wasn't Arjun Singh who was the target. Arjun Singh, in fact, was with Manish Shukla, a short while back before the incident took place. They had gone for a party program in the Habra area of North 24 Parganas, and had only just returned when he was standing at that bus stand, and Arjun Singh had left for another destination, and that is where the incident took place. There are exact things to put in place to show that this incident where Manish Shukla was himself the target. One, obviously his personal bodyguards, his armed personal bodyguards were on leave, so the assailants had confirmed information that Manish Shukla was unguarded. Second, of course, there is this buzz, a very, very strong buzz, which I have been speaking to a whole lot of leaders, both in the Trinamool Congress as well as in the BJP, and all confirm me that it was Manish Shukla who was supposed to get a ticket from the Titagarh area in the upcoming 2021 assembly polls. So he was one of the contenders. He was one of the strongest contenders from the BJP party, for the 2021 polls from that area. So obviously, while the BJP is saying that this has been done to try and weaken the morale of the party in that region, because Arjun Singh is a leader that the Trinamool Congress is not being able to come to terms with, the Trinamool Congress is precisely using the same reason to pay finger point at the BJP, saying that this is the reason why he was targeted.
But Shaukato, the question is that why are only BJP leaders getting killed in Bengal? Because BJP is the challenger to Mamata Banerjee in Bengal. It's a direct